Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add authorized users on your Verizon app. Okay, so first you need to log in to your Verizon app, and then from the menu, select Manage Users, and then click on All Users, and then you can click on View All. And here, right, if you want to add an account, you just click on Add, okay, and then you can start adding the account and setting their designation and what permissions they can access. You set up their role basically. So once you've added this user, you go ahead and set up their role and select OK to save your changes. And then when you come here back on view all, you'll be able to see that new user and the current role that you have added. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.